AI tools will not get rid of the SDR. As an SDR leader, I think it's making my team much better, and I think it's going to raise the bar of how important that role is. The SDR, fingers crossed, is here to stay for a very long time.
I think one of the things that I learned today in regards to GTM is how do we think about AI acceleration and what that means from the perspective of return on investment, but also being able to understand the impact to the organization's bottom line. So being able to effectively measure what your output is on anything related to productivity acceleration with AI, and go-to-market becomes that kind of intersection that is becoming more of a critical function, in my opinion.
This sounds like a plug, but I'm not trying to plug UserGems, but I'm so excited about Claude and UserGems together, so that's going to change everything for GTM for Memory Blue.
I'd say even more with this, the connectors with Claude, not with UserGems and with other tools. Like they can go into one place and integrate it in with the places that they're already working, rather than going into 3 or 5 different locations to get the information.
Yes, and that's to the CSV. Like everything just being connected in Claude and being able to ask questions. That's the one thing, like blank is dead. CSVs, let's make those dead in 2027.